Hello guys. Yo. Hey guys. I'm sure when you see this you have been surprised what is happening, guys. I think it's the second time now I'm recording this video, guys, because I did the video, but it was not recording. I thought I pressed record, but it was not recording, so I have to start again. Guys, like, basically here what I just want to teach you guys. I just want to teach you CRT. I thought it was happening, but price is reversing now. But anyway, I'll just carry on with the video, guys. So basically, guys, what CRT is, let's say this is a daily or a 4 hour candle, bullish or bearish, but the big candle, like a candle like this one, like this candle, this one. See this one, guys, it's a big candle. So there's someone who asked me to show them CRT, guys. So basically this is how CRT works. I cannot make an example because my trading view is not premium. I don't have a premium trading view, so I cannot do that that thing to cut price and then play price and do it. So I'll just show you like this. I'll draw it for you. So guys, basically, guys, let's say price did this, and maybe it's a daily candle or four, maybe let's say it's a daily candle or four, okay, for our candle it closed like this, guys. So we wait for next candles. Maybe we go to the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes, guys, price will be moving like this. Maybe let's say it closed here, maybe let's say it is going down. Wait for price to go down. Maybe it creates higher highs, I mean lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lows. What's happening with this case? It will create lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then, guys, it will come and take out this low. Wait for price to take out this low and wicks and goes up. And then creates a change of character, and then price comes and test, and then we expect price to go there. So, guys, basically what I'm saying, guys, when price reaches here on a smaller time frame, price the candle that comes here, it must not close below this low. It must wick and goes back inside, and it goes back inside. Yeah, because now maybe let's say it's a daily candlestick. We'll wait for a 4-hour candle and see what it does when it comes. It must take out this low and then go back and close inside this range, guys. And then after that, guys, we'll wait for the change of character, guys, or market structure shift. We'll wait for price to create a change of character or a market structure shift, guys. Let's say it's a change, because I call it, but you know there are many names. So name set doesn't matter. It's up to you what you call it, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm having flu, so don't mind me. You see now, maybe wait for price to come back and test the zones. You can even see it created a head and shoulder or something, guys. You use your entry modules that you use. And then, guys, usually, guys, I target the 50% or for my first take profit. Let me mark this candle. Maybe you mark the candle using your fib. And then this is the 50%. This is the 50%. You see, guys, this is 50%. This is what basically I will look for. Let me remove the fib, guys. So this is where I'll take my longs. If price reacts like this, I thought it was doing it now, because they were the H1 on the 15 minutes it rejected, but it's like price now is dropping again here. As you can see here, I was looking to take it, but now we look for more opportunities. And then maybe target the first take profit will be here, and then this is the second take profit. That's simple as that, guys. This is the CRT model. That's how CRT works, guys. Candle range theory. So, guys, now what we'll do now, let's go back to gold, guys. Let's see what gold is doing, guys. Like yesterday, like what I showed you yesterday, guys. Like gold, guys, is bearish, guys. I do remember I told you, I dropped the analysis. If you watch the videos from yesterday, you'll see that gold is just bearish, guys. It's going down. Gold is going down, guys. Okay, let me go to the H4. Okay, let me do this, guys. I will mark the. Yo, what's happening with this mouse? The previous day's high. Let's make it black. It's the previous day high. and this is the previous day low. This is what happened. So let me go to the, I don't think the CRT will play out today, guys. H4 is 240 and 140 is 2. What's happening here? Yeah, so guys, you see now, this is what I was talking about. If this candle, guys, you see this H4 candle can maybe like, if maybe it can do like this, guys, because you see now it's like it is breaking. But if the candle can close like this, the CRT will still be valid. Okay, this is the week. Yeah, man. Guys, don't mind me. I can't draw, guys, and don't worry. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. This channel is still new. I'll also do live trading, guys. So I was trying to do live trading, but it's saying that I must get 50 subscribers first before I can do it. So guys, we'll wait for this H4 candle to close. It is left with 24 minutes, guys. So before we rush on things, we must wait for this H4 candle to close here. If it closes here, if it weaks here, it weaks. You see, it already weak, guys. If it can go back up and close above this previous day low, then we are good to go for the CRT. So yeah, guys, that's when. Okay, guys, let's see now. Let's break it down. What I see on gold, what I think gold will do, guys. You can, okay. Let's see what basically gold is doing, guys. So yesterday I dropped the analysis, guys. You see now. See, gold is still moving between this high and the low. Let me mark my zones, guys. This is my extreme zone, guys. This is where I think gold will reverse. That's what I'm seeing, guys. Here, this is where I'm like, I will be comfortable to buy gold. This is from there. And then gold might also reverse on this 50%. On the 50% here, we can mark like this here. This is where price I'm looking at. If it drops, if it doesn't, if the 4-hour candle, if this 4-hour candle, guys, closes here, if this 4-hour candle closes below here, guys, this is what I'm expecting. If it will close below this zone, it will just do this, guys. It will come back and it will come here. That's where I'm going to look for sales, guys. I'm just looking at two scenarios right now, guys. You must not look at one thing. So let's go to the H1 because now gold is moving, guys. Maybe we can get a trade right now. Who knows? 60. Who knows? Maybe I'll send a signal right now to my group. I never know what will happen. So guys, yeah, basically this is what I'm expecting. I don't know what price will do. Let's wait and see how the candle closes. We'll wait. But here, you can see, guys, this is some kind of a double bottom. So I don't know if it will respect the double bottom or what. But right now, I'm not in any trade. But if it doesn't, guys, our bias changes, guys. We are going down. We follow the market, guys. We don't stick to one bias. We see what the market does. So I will have to. So guys, yeah, it's like this. So let me go to the 15. This is the bearish scenario, guys. So now I want to show you the bullish scenario. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Please, guys, let's grow this channel, guys. I will drop everything is for free, guys. I'm not selling anything here, guys. I'm giving you knowledge for free, guys. So guys, my bullish scenario, guys, this is what I expect if we are going up. Let me remove this for now, guys. So you can do something. Okay, guys, my bullish scenario, this is what I expect. I'll wait for price to take out this high. Basically, to take out this high. Okay, but if this one takes out, okay, let me just, I'll take this one. This high, take out that high.